What's up, you guys? I just got home, picked up this trailer. So Ross told me, pick up this trailer, don't open it, don't look inside, I have a surprise for you. Only open it when you're at your shop. So I'm like, knowing Ross, it could be a setup, but I'm like, picked up the trailer, why not? So here it is. Let me see. You guys will witness the surprise with me. Let's see what's in there. Oh, should I be scared? What?
Surprise, surprise! Here it is. Here's our new rebuild.
Surprise.
That's a good surprise.
Here you go, guys. This is our new build.
Hey guys, make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get alerted when we have more videos coming up of the bike and other cool projects. To stay tuned to what we have going on. We're always going to be buying cool toys. So now, enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back to SalvageBoiz YouTube channel. We're here at Copart right now picking up our next rebuild project. We actually bought a Canada Police Department motorcycle. So we're here, we're gonna go pay for it. We actually got a super good deal on it, paid only 300 bucks plus fees. There's like 400 and some out the door. But here we got the truck and trailer, so we can load it up inside, strap it in and pick it up. So let's go ahead and get to inside Copart, pay for it, pick it up. But if anyone lives in Tri-Cities and would like a SalvageBoiz sticker, email us or comment and we'll give you a sticker. You know, we'll meet up with you and hand you a sticker. But let's go inside and pick up our next rebuild project.
Well, we just paid them, and now gonna go get the bike. Kinda excited. Ross is so excited. He's waiting out here. He wants to be the first one to see it. First drive? Woo! Standing up myself.
Alright guys, so here's the bike that we picked up, and actually a funny story about it. So I actually got pulled over by this Officer Cooper a few months ago. I had my phone in my hand, so he pulled me over and gave me a ticket for being on my phone. But it's funny how, you know, never ever would I have thought that, hey, a few months later, you're gonna have, you know, you're gonna own this bike. Like, who would have thought? Like, I would have never thought. As soon as this thing came up on auction, I was like, you know what, I need this thing. But you know, here we can put a clip of me pulled over, you know, I think we have a video of that. But you know, it's crazy of what can happen. Like, you know, this officer was just doing his job, pulled someone over, and someone was driving, not paying attention, and actually hit the cop from the behind, and the bike went underneath the car that he pulled over. But we can throw in the description, we can put the link to where you can read about what happened to this bike. But it's just funny how, you know, the world works, that, you know, sometimes you can own one of these bikes, and I'm more than happy to get it restored and bring it back to life and see how fast these bikes are. I mean, they're 1400 cc's, I believe.
Yeah, they're 1400.
So, I mean, they should drive really nice. Like, I'm excited to see what this is all about. Like, it's gonna be a fun project for us, and I can't even believe the price we got it for. Like, I was watching the auction and I called Serge and I was like, hey, what should we go up to? He's like, let's do a couple of grand, maybe 3 if we need to. You know, he's like, it'd be a cool project to have. And we ended up getting for $300 instead of 3 grand, you know? So like, it's insane for me of, you know, what these bikes go for. The engine alone's gotta be worth a lot, you know? And it has a lot of good accessories on it, you know, a lot of good parts. Even if we need to part it out, it still has a lot of good things. But we're aiming to fix this bike. We just gotta, our main goal is to get a speedometer for it, start it up, and make sure that this thing is actually running.
Yeah,
because if the engine doesn't run, you know, something's wrong with the engine. It's pointless for us to keep putting money in it if we don't, you know, if we can't have it running. So we're gonna go ahead and, you know, start looking for parts. And the first thing, you know, like I said, the speedometer. So if anyone has any parts for this bike or know where we can get some, message us, and you know, that'll help out a lot.
So I always wanted to get a job just to drive the police around, and this, I mean, we're having fun. That's what we do, you know, rebuild cars and bikes and stuff, trucks. And now, I mean, when he called me, I was so excited. I was out of town. I'm like, man, we gotta have this. And funny story, actually, when I was waiting for Ross, I went ahead and soldered these together because they were all cut from the accident.
And this is for the clutch, so you can...
Yeah, for the clutch and the horn and stuff, because I figured that might be important. And I hit this button here by accident, and I turned on the siren. I mean, I wasn't recording.
You only jumped up a foot off
I
the ground.
almost hit my head on the top of the trailer. I mean, it scared me. It wasn't fun.
So we're kind of inspecting all the damage, looking around, see what's all damaged. And, you know, like I told Serge, if, you know, if it's damaged too much or the parts are too expensive or if they're not available, who knows, we can honestly buy like a side-by-side with a bad engine and swap this engine in there. Or we can actually build like a custom go-kart. That would be pretty cool too. We can use this box as like a glove box in the go-kart. Imagine, I mean, it locks and everything, so we can use this as a little, you know, glove compartment or something. But, you know, there's a lot of possibilities that we can do with this bike. You know, put this in your house as a gun safe.
That's the first thing I checked, just in case they forgot.
There's anything in there? Nothing in there.
Nothing. They took it all.
But
tell us what you guys think.
Tell us what you guys think. If you guys think we should just fix the bike and bring it back, you know, to where it used to be, or if we should, you know, build a go-kart, like something sick, you know, or buy a side-by-side and swap this engine in there.
Because it looks, I mean, it looks bad, but I think once we start tearing into it, we'll have more information on it. Because, I mean, a lot of this is just plastic stuff, and I mean, the bike wasn't driving. He wasn't like in a high speed or something. He was standing, and somebody ran into him, probably going, I don't know, 35 miles an hour. So I don't think it would be that bad, but we're so excited just to, you know,
just to and see what we can figure out with it. So, you know, this might take us a little bit, you know, a longer project, but we just wanted to keep you guys up to date of what we've been buying, and stuff like that.
Yeah, because a lot of these wires, there's a lot of tracking. Like this took me like an hour to make sure. I mean, I'll throw in a little time lapse for you guys to see, maybe in the next video. But all these wires, we have to track them down, make sure.
And guys, if you guys are interested to see like if we can get this bike started or what we do with it, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification. That way you can get alerted when we upload more videos of this bike. And that way, you know, you see what we ended up doing with it. But it's just a cool piece to have. Like, I'm very happy that we have this thing. All right, so this is the end for this video. So stay tuned for more content. Peace.